just got
Yeah.
rammed by someone?
Correct, a kayak with wheels.
Copy. 102-202. Are you guys available? 102, can you respond to post 10025? Chief 2 just got ran by one of the kayaks versus en route.
10-4, show me route.
Alarm, truck 2, he just shot a flare gun at me. He's currently heading towards the boathouse.
Copy. 102, update. Be advised, Chief 2 just advised me.
203 in service.
Yeah, 10-4, I'm behind him here.
Copy, do you need additional?
Well, not at the moment, though.
And 4, do you need additional? You good?
Negative, I actually lost eyes of him at this time.
Copy that. On into 112.
Yeah, go ahead.
You want me to put a bullet out for that suspect?
Yeah, stand by, I'll let you know who it is.
Copy.
I mean, I have braces already. I'm just saying, man. I didn't do anything wrong.
New shiny ones.
I have shiny ones. Don't you worry.
Hey Timmy, where's your about your buddy?
I have no idea, but I would totally tell you if I knew. Oh, hey, I found him.
Be advised, he shot flares at us. Taking a left onto Shorter Road, continuing down on Smoke Tree.
Copy. 203 and 202.
Go ahead.
Are you able for a 1080?
Be advised, he's stopping here at 954.
That postal?
954, Route 68.
Is it 203?
What's up, man?
Go ahead.
Jeffrey, where you running from?
Are you able to go?
What am I what?
Why'd you run off that scene back there?
Because that fire guy is telling BS lies, man. He stepped in the
10 for
middle
1 to
of
get
the
back
road.
in.
Technically, he did a hit and run, and then he chased after me in his giant truck.
Okay, but why didn't answer why you ran from me?
Well, I
And
wasn't
to-
running from
to
you.
your-
I'm also running from that other cop because he seems angry at us.
Go
and
for
just wants to
202.
take our things away, even though we didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
Two.
Well, I saw you driving this on the roadway, which I know he told you not to do.
Well, it's got lights and taillights on it now.
Oh, okay, but it doesn't have a driver's license, or it doesn't have a license plate.
Well, yeah, but I mean, I only drive it on the roads when I have to, man.
Oh yeah, look, you're driving pretty quickly to get away from me.
Oh no, I was getting away from that other cop that's just trying to take our stuff away because we're having fun. We can't have that.
Where's Timmy?
Yeah. I mean, I can hand over my paperwork and stuff. I mean, if you want to cite me for moving around on the road and being fast, that's whatever. But I didn't do anything wrong. And he's just trying to take our stuff away for no reason, man.
This.
Alright, well, if you want to go ahead and hand me that, you know, I have a feeling I know your name already because I called you by it already.
Yeah, here you go, man.
Alright, Jeffrey, bear back with you.
Okay.
10-9 last location.
Okay, thanks for being. Not. I need to let it 24 chip to.
Warning. Violent.
Go
Mentally
ahead.
ill. Armed.
If you're looking for a postal, I'm going to be at 954 Route 68.
Incoming.
So 03 County, is that pursuit still active?
Negative, no pursuit. He was just, I had to catch up to him. We are currently stopped at 954. I did not know if 202 needed to come down here and have a conversation with him.
Two, three. I need
102, 202 direct.
Go for it, 202.
Yeah, do you need to come talk to Mr. Jeffries?
Yeah, because this time I'm gonna take away his kayak vehicle thing that he's in.
Yeah, Tim 4. We are at. Never mind, I see you.
car need chip to. Car need chip to.
Chief 2.
There's someone.
202, we're on 68. We're gonna come out this way. It's all yours.
Well, what did I tell you? The last time.
I didn't do anything.
No, Jimmy, you're good.
Yay.
Henderson SWAT, Chesterton SWAT, River Car
User in
for
your channel timed out.
963. Senator SWAT, Chesterton SWAT, Car for Person
I'm gonna need you out of
963,
your kayak
Hotmail
boat thing.
234.
Hold on, trick 2
Looks like
spotted.
you're missing a
Please
road
don't
or
that
thing
way.
anyway.
Copy 202, 112, are you guys available?
Negative, we're still on this stop here.
Copy. Can you advise when you go tonight? On the Chief 2.
Chief 2.
Advise I don't have any LEO available at the moment.
Trick 2 acknowledges.
Can you hear me?
There we go. What did I tell you last time?
What's up, man?
What did I tell you last time that we met?
Counter shift here. You know to post the
What did you tell me
963.
last time?
Yeah.
To keep it off the road, but I only go on the road so I don't
Or
like
to
hit
do
like,
review after
signs
mission.
and stuff like that thing, dude. You want me to just ram into it?
Okay, well, that's fine, but I saw you go out the road several times, Jeff. Right?
I have
See
two, and I've
to
been
be
super
advised again
lenient with it.
attached.
I didn't do anything.
I mean, I could also take yours because that's like you off the side of the road multiple times.
I mean, I think you're missing some front tires anyway.
And you also rammed into a fire engine and took
No,
off.
they stopped in the middle of the road, and I was trying to get by. So I went under the back corner of their vehicle because they were blocking the road.
And then you proceeded to shoot them with a flare.
Yes. It's a harmless flare gun, dude.
I mean, at least he's honest.
Yeah, also, I'm very honest with you guys at least.
Surely honesty helps put something in the court of law.
I mean, I've been super lenient with both of you.
I still
But
have
this
done
time,
nothing.
I'm gonna need you out of the kayak boat thing.
I still have done nothing.
Not you, Timmy. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to your buddy.
I'm the cheater.
I don't want to get out.
Look at this jackass.
Yeah, look at him.
Well, he's
Driving an
doing
oncoming
something
lane. He's driving an
But I'm
oncoming
gonna
lane.
need you.
What he's doing.
out of your boat, kayak, whatever the fuck this thing is.
Did I just crash? No, I'm good. Okay. Anyhow, I didn't do anything wrong, man.
I'm gonna need you out of your kayak boat thing.
I didn't do anything wrong, though.
You shot a flare gun.
He's fine. Did he press charges?
He's probably going to.
Well, ask him if he's going to. I don't want to go to jail over shooting somebody with a flare gun if they're not
I mean,
even
you
pushing
have
charges
received
yet.
several warnings from me and the cadet. So, I'm gonna need you to exit whatever the fuck the thing you're in. And I'm gonna put some...
Apparently
fancy
it keeps sinking in the ground, my man.
Be advised, it's gonna be at the Inland Labs in Chicho.
Hey, guess what?
I don't recommend running. Put it away.
User joined your channel.
1080.
Alarm truck 2.
Jack 2.
Guys, we haven't even hit the LEO yet.
Negative.
Elio will be in the middle of a 1080, so it'll be a while before we get to you.
Then I know the location.
Yeah, he's on Joshua. He's behind the fruit stand on 68. Heading towards the prison at this time off-road.
Hold on, do you have a 10 in air progress?
That's a firm.
Happy, can you hear me now? It's possible.
10. Yeah, we're gonna be at 947 around the outside of the prison. He's in the prison parking lot this time. Heading back up to the highway.
Careful.
Alarm truck 2 on location. We're gonna have a vehicle explosion at 936. We're gonna have a fully involved car fire Show 2 vehicles involved, 3 vehicles involved at this time, 2 explosions.
Copy alarm shot 2, you're on scene 828.
Alarm, truck 2, 3rd explosion. Search truck 2 is setting up Humane Labs command.
It runs.
Go around the other side, go around the other side, come back out. I got him. You guys are in the desert behind the recycling center 951. He's currently now on Smoke Tree Road heading towards the airport. Taking a left on Panorama Drive, pulling in the logistics parking lot, going around the dirt, heading towards the back. I think he's squeezing through, I can't get through. He's heading down the dirt road next to the airport.
Alarm, truck 2 going out, sir, station 506.
Alarm shot 2, 10-4.
Going down that dirt road. I'm gonna head out 68 just make sure you can cut across and go that way.
Control, show Bear 1 spinning up.
One on 2, do you have a poster for me?
Negative, we lost sight at the moment. He squeezed through a hole. Last seen going down the dirt road next to the airport. I'm gonna run by 68, and I think 202 is running down the dirt road and see if we can find him.
Big.
102 Bear 1, can we get a postal? Sorry, vehicle description.
Yeah, it's a yellow kayak on a truck, a mini truck. Be advised, there is 2 of them. We're just looking for Jeffrey.
Bear 1's up. We are currently going down the road parallel of the airport. Are you talking about the dirt road on the north or south end of the airport?
And be advised, it's going to be on the south side of the airport.
Okay, Bear 1's going to be up in that area.
To the unit that just passed me. He didn't come down this way.
You want on that back.
Stupid thing.
One on 2, do you have a vision action for me?
Negative, no visual at this time.
I'm currently following the map.
2, 10-4.
102 Bear 1.
Yeah, go ahead.
Can I get a... You said there was a truck?
It's a yellow kayak built into a truck. With a mini truck.
Disregard that.
202 to 102, can you teleport me, us to you?
You guys, for everyone, I got eyes. We're at the Yellow Jack right now, behind on Route 68.
Yeah,
I got
okay. That's his buddy. That's not him.
It's currently on the road leading to the prison, right off of Route 68. You're supposed to go to be 951. You guys, we're gonna be getting back on Route 68. We're gonna be on Route 68,
Thank you, Tom.
heading towards the junkyard, towards the freeway. Currently stopping in front of the little power grid. Making a U-turn, heading back towards Yellow Jack. We're gonna be heading towards Yellow Jack, passing Yellow Jack at this time.
Be advised, that's Timmy. We're looking for his friend. Just keep an eye on him, see where he goes. If he meets up with his Jeffrey or not.
Hi, name 102.
Go ahead.
You wanna borrow after that vehicle?
10-4.
Stand by.
.202 will be 10-7.
Info.
User disconnected from your channel.
on it. One on it, on it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Do you have a license plate for that vehicle?
Yeah, everybody, it's gonna be a yellow boat over a mini semi truck.
Give me a license plate number for that vehicle.
There's no license plate number.
Copy.
What's going on? Why'd you just hit the rear end of me?
You're invisible.
Okay.
That might be a me thing though. I'm having some issue. Oh yes, hello.
You can go on, just checking on you. Where's your buddy?
I don't know.
Alright.
I haven't seen him since he took off from you guys.
Okay, you have a good day.
Well, you too. I hope you fix your issues. It might be my issues though, so we'll see. You don't exist. And when I drive far away from that truck,
there's a huge collision on the left side of this truck.
I'm also getting massive texture loss for the first time ever in Sandy.